What is going on, everyone? This is the Crow 2119 coming at you with a little Black Ops 2 action. We are going to be going 2-on-2. Me and Darknov versus Birdman64 and his guest player, who's also his cousin. We're going to wipe the floor with these motherfuckers. I am pumped up, boy. I am pumped up. Let's get this game started.
3, 1.
I'll probably let it go. So let
You both are gonna die and rage hard like a motherfucker. It's gonna be funny as hell.
And what if you rage?
Hey, let's just say my cousin loves to snipe.
Yeah!
Stop screaming. Draven, get back and see my guns.
Alright. Give me a sec here, my friend. Where you at?
I'm right next to you.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Where you going, bro?
Go back
Oh, yeah, David. Let's go!
I'm gonna quickly change the options because I
Try
haven't
to
set
hide.
the 14.
Stealth, Dave.
Sneaky sneaks? I got sneaky sneaks.
The best thing about it, no time. First blood!
Got killed.
I got
That's what
sneaky
you gotta
sneaks.
watch out for.
Where's your sneaky sneak, bitch?
It's everywhere.
I'm surprisingly pumped with this.
Oh my god, David, I'm about to have a heart attack, bro.
I
Oh,
know I'm saying.
holy shit, I can't breathe,
Oh, he
man.
got me! He got me! Man down! Bitch, beat my fist!
You suck at sniping, boy! You suck! Yeah!
Got it clear.
No death on me! Double kill! Oh, you trying to snipe again? Nope!
Obviously, my pick. This is all over again.
This is exactly the same amount of adrenaline I had in my first wrestling match. Holy shit, dude. My veins are popping.
Behind you.
Oh, oh, oh.
Whoa. Pull away, Draven. Knock me.
What? I just got our team a frickin' 5-point lead. Where you running to, huh? You ain't running from me. I'm right behind you, or am I? Am I in front of you? No one knows.
Good thing you know.
But I know David killed you. And I killed you with your little sniping act right there. Look at you. Oh, look at that. I got a little UAV in me. I'm gonna go get you now. You're mine. You're mine. You're all mine!
Drone on standby.
But I'll get Draven.
I got my hunter killer. Go get him, boy!
Draven, I'll get.
Hey, Michael, guess what? Michael, I'm in a Metro Skeleton card match. Guess what map we're on?
Lightning strike on standby.
Pushing your location, time now.
Lightning strike coordinates received. Inbound.
Fucking A, Draven. You don't give no.
It's personal right now. Jake wants to talk a lot of hot air. He's about to get a lot of hot bullets.
Oh, that's gonna gun.
Oh, that took you about 5 years to kill me.
I think the only kills I got. Nope, they got one on you. Oh shit.
Oh, they're camping now, David. Throw some C4 in that shit.
Don't worry, I got this.
Look at you, David. Going in there. Look
Just
at
form up
you.
on me.
Oh.
Going explosive.
What?
I should probably turn up my
What?
fuck, I'm staying here, screw this shit. I gotta change up my options. There we go. Got on 13 now.
Jake's up there, David. Get him.
What you got? Okay, Draven, I'm forming.
Let's go. Come on.
Going explosive.
I am like licking my lips and everything. I'm really stoked.
I'm doing this all entry team style.
Yeah!
Wait for it. Careful, Draven.
I'm good.
Gotta do this entry team. This is a horrible place to be, Drake.
I
Where
know.
you're hiding, that can easily fuck us over.
Up there.
Moving in.
Got your 6.
I see the landmine.
They're in there. He's probably in the other door on the side right there. Is it clear?
Clear. Busted! I got this, Draven.
I got this too.
Down.
There they are.
Probe deployed.
Fuck you, Hunter Killer. You're a bitch. Get out! Get out!
I got 2 bouncing betties.
I got him.
Wait, let one of them come in. Let one of them come in.
That's fine.
Come on, Jake.
What?
Well, if you're not gonna come in, I'll do it for you. Good. I need to get over here.
I'm just gonna come around you, Jake.
Hey, Draven, form up on me when you get the chance.
Nothing.
Has been destroyed.
Jake's coming for you. He's coming for you.
I see him.
My mouth. I can't feel my mouth, David. I'm getting really scared. I can't feel my mouth.
It's fine. Get the UAV. Get the UAV. You need it. I need it. I got an idea. god, lost cover, lost cover.
Behind you!
Oh shit.
Got him.
Okay. Move out. And move this way.
Clear up here.
I'll move up.
Watching that corner. Corner.
Reloading, hold on.
Waiting.
Okay, moving up.
I got your 6. Go.
Stand down.
What's going on? I hear shots.
There they are.
He's in there, David.
God! God! Shit!
You lagged out. I couldn't hear you.
Fuck.
Alright.
Okay, move this way. Follow me.
We should go right underneath their noses.
We got this, big motherfucker! Woohoo!
Look at the score, Jake, and then suck my dick.
Then suck
Oh,
mine!
that was like the greatest.
Because you got bounce embedded and I killed you at least 25 times!
Don't even don't. Form up on me.
Yeah, just
Run in.
rage, not me. Rage versus your nipples and which.
I'm not raging, I'm just being him. Gloating a lot.